DJI might have been in the spotlight for their budget Neo drone, but exciting news is brewing for their action camera line. Leaks suggest the upcoming Osmo Action 5 Pro could rival the newly released Hero 13 Black. While DJI hasn't officially confirmed the details yet, reliable leaker at QUADRO_news reveals some juicy specs. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is set to feature a 1.3-inch sensor with 40MP resolution and a 155-degree field of view, perfect for capturing expansive shots. It's expected to record video at 4000 resolution and 120 frames per second, with SuperNight Slow-Motion Modes for stunning slow-mo footage. Battery life is projected to last up to 4 hours, and connectivity will include Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 6. Storage won't be an issue with 47GB built-in and expandable up to 1TB via microSD. The camera will also have 3 stereo microphones and software features like 360 HorizonSteady and Voice Control. The adventure combo with accessories might retail between €450 €490, or about $520 $570. The official launch is rumored for September 12th, so stay tuned for confirmation.